Welcome back to David's Expedition. I am a self-funded global traveller. If you enjoy genuine travel content, make sure to subscribe. The short stay at Nice was a wonderful experience. I will share my Europe travel vlog soon. Today, I am flying with Air France, AF7307 business class, from Nice to Paris. After arriving at the Nice airport, we made our way to the Sky Priority check-in lane for Air France. The staff were super helpful and helped us to get the boarding passes. This airport is stunningly beautiful and remarkably easy to navigate. Its design is simple yet aesthetically appealing, creating a delightful experience for every traveller. After security, there are a bunch of shops and restaurants. Be mindful that these shops are not duty-free, since the same terminal has flights within Europe and outside of Europe. All passengers still need to complete the tax refund process for all purchases. Since there is still some time before boarding, we made our way to the Infinity Lounge. This lounge amazed me. It is not even the flagship lounge by Air France, yet it is nicely crafted. Apart from the spacious seating area, there are also some entertainment areas and a pool table. However, stay tuned for the upcoming videos. The CDG Airport's Air France flagship lounge is truly next level. After a quick rest, it is time for boarding. Gate is A9, and as business class passengers, we were the first group to board. Today's flight is operated by Airbus A319, which is designed for shorter trips. As you can see, the business class seating is the same as economy seating. The middle seating is blocked. The legroom is about average. The first row has huge legroom, highly recommended. Since this is a smaller flight, boarding is completed within 20 minutes. And we are about to take off.
Pour le décollage, merci.
The takeoff is extremely smooth, and the view amazed me. Look at the ocean view and the beach. Quickly after takeoff, a meal kit is offered with high-quality packaging. It has a Ferrero, a cake, and a sandwich. All of them are super delicious. Honestly, I did not expect there to be a meal or snack service on this flight, since it is only 1.5 hours. The actual flight time might be less, but this meal kit might be the best one I have gotten on domestic flights. And it truly made a difference. The food offered inside almost makes me forget that I am on an aircraft. Shortly after the meal, we are about to land. After making our way to the gate, we disembarked the aircraft and entered the CDG airport. This flight is the first segment of our journey from France to Italy. I would give it a 9 out of 10 since it has wonderful service that definitely exceeded my expectation for a domestic flight within France. Stay tuned for my second segment, where I will show you the experience for the CDG Airport Signature Lounge by Air France, as well as the in-flight meal service. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for the support.